Next problem for ionic equilibria. The dissociation constant of NH4OH. NH4OH is a weak base, is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Calculate its degree of dissociation in 0.01 mole solution. Dissociation constant, it is problem number 2. Dissociation constant of NH4OH, that is Kb. It is a weak base and the dissociation constant is calculated by writing their equilibrium ionization reaction, and by applying law of mass action such type of Kb is obtained. This Kb is given to you 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Then calculate its degree of dissociation, means what is alpha, and concentration of solution 0.01 mole. You must know the formula and concept related with ionic equilibria. The concept is, yes, at first you must write this. The concept is dissociation constant Kb and degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation means the fraction of total number of moles of an electrolyte which get dissociated, weak electrolyte which get dissociated at equilibrium. This is the concept. Okay, the formula is Kb is equal to alpha square into C. It is the formula according to that Ostwald dilution law. Such type of formula is to be decided. Okay, what is alpha? Alpha square is equal to Kb upon C, and alpha is equal to root of Kb upon C. Put the values of Kb and C here. Upper side, that is numerator side, 1.8 into 10 raised to power of minus 5 divided by C, means 10 raised to power of minus 2. 10 raised to power of minus 2. Overall, it becomes 1.8 into 10 raised to power of minus 3. 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 3. Then it is to be written as, to determine the root for that, you must do that 10 raised to minus 3 to 10 raised to minus 4. It is 18 into 10 to the power of minus 4. 18 into 10 to the power of minus 4. रूट 18 निकालने के लिए आपको डायरेक्टली रूट 18 का आंसर निकालना है. इसका तो 10 रेज़ टू माइनस 2 बाहर आएगा, इसका तो रूट डायरेक्टली निकलेगा. इसका रूट आपके पास अगर आपको रूट निकालना है तो 1/2 log 18 करो. 1/2 log 18 करना है. log 18 कैसे देखना है, देखो. log 18 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक 1.18 to 0 2553. It is 1.2553 divided by 2, 0.6, then 0, then 2, then 7, then 6, 0.6276. Determine antilog of this. 0.62 का एंटीलॉग आपको 7 में 6 में डिफरेंस देखना है. इसको लगे एंटीलॉग देखेंगे अभी. एंटीलॉग ऑफ 0.62 0 4169 0.62 का 7 में 0.62 in the seventh row, 7th column, 0.6762 0.62 in the 7, 4236, 6 is the main difference. 6, it means 4242. It is 0 plus 1 1. 4.242, it is our answer. 4.242, it is our answer. This 4.242 into 10 raised to minus 2, it is alpha. It is the correct answer. You must write this as 0.04242 also. Clear? It is also next important problem for you friends. This problem is very important. ये तो अब एग्ज़ाम में आने ही वाला है, बस बिल्कुल आने वाले बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम में, महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड में तो ये एग्ज़ाम में आएगा, बिल्कुल आएगा. वीक मोनोबेसिक एसिड is 12% dissociated. At first time percentage dissociation is given. You know that if percentage dissociation is given, the formula is alpha is equal to percentage dissociation divided by 100. ये तो हम निकाल सकते हैं percentage dissociation. C is equal to 0.05 mole. Then again what is the percentage dissociation? Double पूछा है. What is another alpha for another concentration? Concentration दूसरा भी दिया है. Concentration, second concentration is also given. Now in this first concentration, suppose it is alpha 1 for this C1, and you must write alpha 2 for C2. You don't know alpha 2. After determination of alpha 2, we will determine percent dissociation, but C2 is different, 0.15 mole. The solution is same. Its Ka is equal to alpha 1 square C1, it is my first formula. Ka is equal to alpha 2 square C2, it is my second formula. Both the K's are constant because the solution is same. उसी solution का K आप ले रहे हो ना उसी solution का K, though both are constant. So our new equation becomes very important. It is alpha 2 square C2. Alpha 2 square C2. Yes, alpha 1. We must determine alpha 1 by this formula. Alpha 1 is equal to, it is a given part, it is a calculation part, it is a formula part. फार्मूला का लिंक आपके ध्यान में आना चाहिए. ये फार्मूला फाइनल फार्मूला डिसाइड किया हमने. ये अल्फ़ा 1 निकाल रहे हैं हम. अल्फ़ा 1 परसेंटेज डिसोसिएशन 12/100. 12/100 मीन्स 12 into 10 raised to power of minus 2. It is alpha 1. 12 into 10 raised to minus 2. It is alpha 1. Alpha 2, we don't know alpha 2. C1, 5 into 10 raised to power of minus 2, it is C1. 5 into 10 raised to minus 2, it is C1. Then C2 is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 1. These are given quantities. Yes, we put these values. You know that alpha 1 square means 12 into 10 raised to power of minus 2 square, into C1 means the concentration 5 into 10 raised to power of minus 2 is equal to, you don't know alpha 2 square, into C2 means 1.5 into 10 raised to power of minus 1. into 10 raised to power of minus 1. It is 12 square means 144. 144 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 is equal to alpha 2 square into 1.5 into 10 raised to power of minus 1. This alpha 2 square is equal to, it is 144 into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. देखो 144 10 to the power of minus 6 into 5 divided by 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 1. 10 to the power of minus 1 goes to upside, or you must write 15 here. 144 into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 divided by 15 into 10 to the power of minus 2. माइनस 2 ऊपर चले गया, 5 3 ज़ा 15. आंसर गोइंग टूवर्ड्स 144 divided by 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Alpha 2 square. It is alpha 2 square. We will write here alpha 2 square is equal to 144 divided by 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Alpha 2 is equal to root of 144 by 3 means 3 4s are 12, 48 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Root 48, yes, root 48 into 10 to the power of minus 2. रूट 48 मीन्स अभी तो मैंने आपको बताया था, इसका लॉग लेना है, लॉग ऑफ 48 लेना है, डिवाइड बाय 2 करना है, जो भी आंसर आएगा उसका एंटी लॉग लेना है, बस यही तो बात है. इसमें अल्फ़ा 2 आ जाएगा. ये कैलकुलेशन मैंने किया है, आपको करना है. मैंने एक कैलकुलेशन करके आपको दिखाया था, आपको करना है. ये आपको अगर मालूम है 48 का नियर अबाउट 7 भी आप लिखोगे, नियर अबाउट 7 या 6.9 भी लिखोगे, 6.9 इंटू 10 टू द पावर ऑफ माइनस 2 लिखोगे, तो ये अल्फ़ा 2 नियर अबाउट 6.9 इंटू 10 टू माइनस 2 लिखोगे, तो ये नियर अबाउट आपका परसेंटेज 6.9% भी करेक्ट हो सकता है. पहले का कैलकुलेशन इतना ध्यान में रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. नीट के लिए रूट 48 निकालना है आपको. रूट 48 का 49 का रूट 7 होता है, तो 6.9 लिखिए. 6.9 इंटू इसका रूट 10 टू माइनस 2. अल्फ़ा 2 इज इक्वल टू 6.9 इंटू 10 टू माइनस 2 एंड परसेंटेज अल्फ़ा 2 इज इक्वल टू, इसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करो तो ये आएगा. ट्रायल एंड एरर से आप सीख सकते हो. कैलकुलेशन की बात जो भी है, कैलकुलेशन आएगा, कैलकुलेशन इधर उधर शिफ्ट होगा और आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल यहाँ पे होना चाहिए. ये अल्फ़ा ये इक्वल टू फिर इसमें से दिए वाला परसेंटेज. ओके बेटा, थैंक यू.